Have you ever gone through a difficult time? Maybe you're stressed at work. Maybe you're studying for a difficult exam. Maybe you're dealing with personal problems. And someone says to you, hang in there. Today, I'll show you exactly what this idiom means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in everyday English. And at the end, we'll practice pronunciation together so you can say it confidently. Let's get started. So let's start with the image behind the expression. Imagine someone holding onto something tightly so they don't fall, but they're tired, but they keep holding on. That image represents not giving up. So when Americans say, hang in there, we mean stay strong, don't give up, keep going, even if things are difficult. It's a way to encourage someone who is struggling. You're telling them, things might be hard now, but you can get through this. Let's imagine some situations where Americans use this idiom. Imagine a student preparing for a difficult exam. They've been studying for hours every day. They feel tired and frustrated. They say to a friend, I don't think I can pass this test. The friend says, hey, hang in there. You've been studying hard. You can do it. That means don't quit, keep going. Imagine now you're having a stressful week at work. Deadlines are coming. Your boss is asking for updates. You feel overwhelmed. You tell your coworker, this week is really hard. Your coworker says, hang in there. The project will be finished soon. This means the difficult situation won't last forever. Now I want you to picture someone running a long race. They're tired, their legs hurt, they want to stop. A friend standing on the side of the road shouts, hang in there, you're almost at the finish line. This means keep going, you're close to success. Now imagine your friend recently lost their job. They're worried about the future. They say, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You say, hang in there, things will get better. This expression shows support and empathy. Now imagine a parent is trying to calm a crying baby late at night. The baby won't stop crying. The parent is exhausted. Another family member says, hang in there, the baby will fall asleep soon. This means just a little longer, you're doing fine. You'll hear this idiom in sentences like, hang in there. Just hang in there. Try to hang in there. Hang in there, it'll get better. Now I want to draw your attention to something important. This idiom is almost always used to encourage someone. It's supportive and positive. A common mistake that you don't want to make is to use this idiom for something that is very small or unimportant. For example, if someone says, my coffee is cold, you wouldn't want to say, hang in there. It would sound strange. This idiom is used for real challenges or difficult situations. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there. If you want to learn more idioms that Americans use every day, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for you.